Welcome, greetings from California. If you are a Patreon member, you know that I've moved to California. Actually, this happened a week ago. So if you are in the Southern California area and you would like to meet up, I would like to meet up. Come to San Diego. I will add the details on the screen and in the description box below. I think it would be awesome to meet up. I will be bringing a bunch of my ukuleles to the meetup. So it is a workshop that I'm hosting or co-hosting with Timmy and Terry from Uke Like the Pros and Tyler from 10 Thumbs Pro. So we're all going to be teaching and playing together. But the objective is to meet you and hang out with you and take pictures and video and jam. I will be taking a bunch of my ukuleles to this meetup so that you can experiment with a bunch of them, because I know sometimes people wish that they could try lots of ukuleles before buying their own. And so if you've been curious about comparing like different sizes and sounds and brands, then don't worry, I will have them at the workshop. I will also be giving away some of my ukuleles, but that's not why you should come. You should come because you want to hang out with us and play with us and learn something new. If you are in California and if you would like to have a ukulele meetup with me and you want to invite me to come and we can organize a workshop or something together, let me know. I will read the comments down in the comment section below, or you can email me in the description box. I'll have my email. I think that this channel is constantly evolving and we're going to transition from making or having only video contact to hopefully meeting in person and having workshops together and getting to meet. That is the next thing that I want to do, because I feel like we've communicated so much in the comments and through Instagram and through Patreon. I really just want to take it to the next level to where I can see you and hang out with you and play with you. I think that just would make our connection that much stronger. Because I'm a teacher first, you know, and so a teacher wants to engage with her students, and that's exactly how I feel about you. Like, I want us to have an experience together. So if you know of somewhere that I can come and teach a workshop as well, let me know in the comments below or send me an email. I would love that. Alrighty, we will be in touch. There will be more videos coming soon. I had to take a little bit of a break in May. Something personal happened. If you're curious about that, I'll have the link on the Patreon so that you can read what happened. But now June is looking much better. I'm feeling much better. Things have gotten much better, and I just want to start doing more with the channel and more with like workshops and people. I hope to see you soon. Hope to see you at a workshop, and I will see you in the next video for sure. Sayonara!